Hi and welcome everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to change profile photo in Parler. So, let's launch Parler application. Now we have to open the side menu by tapping on these three dashes in the top left corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, and then select Edit Profile. Click on your current profile photo. And now you can take a photo using your camera or choose a photo from your gallery, and we'll be doing just that. You have to falsely allow Parler to access photos and media on your device. Just click on Allow. We'll use Photos. Let's go to Download. And let's say we'll be using this sky picture. Now you can adjust it and edit it, but we are going to skip that. Click on this download icon, and as you can see, we have changed the profile photo in Parler. All you have to do now is just to click on this save button in the top right corner. Wait for a short while. Great. That's how you change profile photo in Parler. So, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.